right back there. Yeah. The job box was right over there behind the porta potty. This is how you look for houses in the construction clean. What did I do to find this house? Let me back up real quick. Let me show you guys what I noticed when I pulled up at this house. The freaking porta potty. That's the first thing you look for, the porta potty. Excuse my wife, she's out here putting her card in there, and she's making sure, you can look at the plans, see who's building it, see what it is, and then you look at the property. I mean, this property in and of itself is, it's just in the stud. It's just down to the stud. So, right, they're building this brand new, as you can see. Studs. They don't have drywall up. It looks like they have some utilities in there, but it's perfect property to try and contact the developer and see if you can start working with them.